Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have access and any credits required. Log in and enable image generation. Next, collect 1 to 3 reference images and decide an aspect ratio like 16:9 or 1:1. Then, craft a clear initial prompt. State the subject, artistic style, color palette, and exact output size. Use simple adjectives and one targeted instruction to avoid ambiguity. Once done, submit the prompt and wait for the first render, so you can evaluate composition and lighting immediately. You now evaluate the initial images and note precise issues, composition, lighting, or unwanted objects. Use targeted follow-up prompts to refine, remove elements, change mood from bright to moody, or specify lens type for depth. When small tweaks fail, request variations or apply an upscale to preserve detail. Make sure to track each prompt and parameter you change so you can reproduce the best result. Once you spot a satisfying iteration, prepare a final tweak pass focused on fine details like texture and color balance. You finish by exporting the chosen image at the required resolution and format and save the exact prompt for future edits or replication. If you see artifacts, edge fuzziness, or anatomy errors, rerun with higher sampling, change the seed, or add explicit negative prompts to remove mistakes. Make sure to verify model version and any license or usage limits before publishing. Finally, keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. When things go wrong, simplify the prompt and iterate slowly to isolate the problematic instruction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.